Hi everyone, welcome to the DoMoreLife channel. I wanted to bring you an additional room review here at the Crystal Suites located in Pattaya, Thailand in the LK Metro area. The particular room I'll be reviewing today will be Deluxe A room. This is room number 6 located on the top floor of Crystal Suites, and it is facing LK Metro. We'll take you through the room review and let me know what you think at the end. Let's start this hotel review on the couch. So this room is a lot larger than mine in room 4, and it's got this great couch and it's very comfortable. This is room number 6. Now, if you remember from my last video, I was giving you a review for hotel room number 4. This is a larger room. This goes for 1,000 baht per night. And you can see the big differentiator here is not only the size of the room, which is about double what room 4 is also you get a balcony. So I love this. If you want to be close to the nightlife, this would be the place to be. So you can see it's right in LK Metro. Now, some people will like this, some people won't like this. It depends on what your pattern is here in Pattaya. If you're one to go out all night and come back about 3 o'clock in the morning, then this is going to be fine because most of the bars here shut down about 2 a.m., latest 3 a.m. So it's going to be very quiet for those 8 hours following the shutdown. And so you'll be okay to sleep. If you're not one to go to sleep at 11 o'clock, then you'll be fine. All right. So this is a great, I like this room a lot. Got a separate little area to sit down, do some work if you have to. This has a larger TV than I have in room 4. So really nice. Aircon, nice size bed. I think it's about the same size as room 4. Nice little couch there on the side. Let's take a look in the closet, make sure we have a safe there for everyone. So a lot more storage I'm finding than my closet that I have in room 4. And then you have the safe on the bottom. Let's see if these key codes work. Yep, looks like it does. And then we have some additional areas where you can store your clothes. Really, really nice. You know, one thing I can't say enough about in this hotel is the quality of the staff, from the house cleaners to the manager that manages all the rooms. Just really, really nice. So this again is the larger room. This is room number 6. This goes for 1,000 baht per night with the balcony. Really, really nice. One thing I did notice on the balcony was there's a little bit of a sink outside here. So if you guys want to like wash up your hands or do whatever you need to do, you could do it out there. So pretty nice. Let's go into the bathroom area, take a look there. So really nice and nice size too. So I don't know if you guys can get a sense for the space here. But really nice size. Again, the American shower, which is the same as in room 4, just a lot more space with this bathroom here, which is nice. Again, American style shower. You have the handheld, and then you also have the over the top here, the rain shower, which is nice. And then a lot more room to store your shampoos and whatnot, which is great. I really like this room. This is nice. So, you know, you can do one of two things. You know, I sometimes will book my hotel through Agoda, which is what I did for Crystal Suites the last time in room 4. You can also send an email to the staff here at Crystal Suites and book it there. This room does not have, this hotel does not have a lot of rooms. I think 6 in total. This is room 6. You know, nice sized TV, got the refrigerator, a couple of different seating areas, and just a lot of space. So what'd you think? Great room, right? I like it a lot. Again, it's facing LK Metro, so some people might have some concerns around how loud it's going to be, right? Well, one thing to keep in mind, if you are going to be partaking in the nightlife here, most of the bars close about 2 a.m. So from about 3 o'clock on, it's going to be very, very quiet here. So you're still going to get your 8 hours. You'll be sleeping in a little bit late, but just keep in mind that most things don't open up till about 1 p.m. here in LK Metro. So if you can get on the right sleep schedule of kind of sleeping or staying up a little bit late and then sleeping in a little bit late, you'll be fine. A lot of great space here in this hotel room. Again, one of the things that really differentiates this particular hotel from others that I've stayed at in the area is the service. Really impressed with the management staff here and housekeeping as well. They do a great job cleaning the room. You're getting about 2 waters per day in the fridge. Just super nice, very friendly. So if you like the video, please consider subscribing, and we'll bring you more great content like this in the future. Thanks a lot.